All right, back out on the range with the Lone Wolf Arms LR01C ported slide, the Alphawolf, and their Glock 17 size grip module. You can see I've made some updates. I have a Holosun 507 comp on here and a Holosun PID. Really excited to run both of these. Thank you to Holosun for throwing these my way for evaluation. I also fixed my mag release issue from last time. You'll remember that I definitely had not installed it right, and as soon as I pulled it apart, I realized they didn't have the little spring in the right spot. Pulled a pin, pushed it down, put the pin back in, and it works perfectly now. So I got 50 rounds of Scorpio on me. We're gonna do 200 rounds, I think, today. We'll start with 100 rounds of Scorpio, 50 through the first couple mags, and from there, then we'll see how it goes. I've also got double tap steel on the range now. Huge shout out to double tap, Kyle, Olivia, thank you guys, really appreciate you. And I've also got a paper target on a double tap H-stand. More double tap stuff is on the way, but UPS lost my package. So when it gets here, I'll show you guys all that too, but let's get to shooting. Also, I have not sighted in this optic, so might have to fiddle with that a little bit. Ha. Okay. I needed the Holosun tool, which I keep on me. So we will try that and see how it goes. Okay, got a really solid group there. I was wrong though, I needed to go up actually. And I still need to go to the right one. That's closer. By the way, I'm at like 7 yards here. I'd probably want to zero my dot further than 7 yards, but for the sake of what I'm doing at the moment, this will work. A little bit more of a tweak. I think I'd like it to be a touch high at 7 yards. That would make me happy. So, let's try some steel. Oh man, those 2-inchers at 12 yards are hard to hit. Well, that's fun. Might need to like zip tie my steel in place so they don't slide around, but yeah, hearing that feedback of steel is awesome. All right, 50 more rounds of Scorpio. This is running great. I love this gun. It's so comfy to shoot. Oh, mag was backwards. Those little 2-inchers are pesky. We're actually reviewing the gun here, but I'm having fun with my new range setup. Gun's running great. Not much to say on it, which is exactly the point, right? 50 rounds of Winchester white box. Have not shot this before. These are 124 grains. I mean, I've shot it before, but not through this gun. 124 grains. And if you see me moving a little bit, go ahead and make fun of me in the comments. I've never really had anywhere I could like practice moving and shooting, as in like moving and then shooting. So I'm just starting to like fiddle with the idea of my feet don't need to be planted when I'm shooting. So if I look retarded, I probably am.
I'm retarded?
that's okay, and you can tell me. Target's head is falling over. All right. Again, no issues. This gun's running great. Okay, last couple mags for today through this. This is 124 grain Fiocchi ammo. Haven't shot this through this gun either. I got a ton of ammo from Ammo Man, which is really cool, and trying out some different things. So let's see how the Fiocchi runs through this. Gun's getting hot. They always do that when you shoot them. I don't know why. All right, 200 rounds to the LR01C with the 507 comp and the PID on it, pretty much just for weight, honestly. Zero malfunctions, no issues at all. Those are really smooth 200 rounds. I'm up to about 400 rounds through this gun total. And aside from the mag release issues I had in the first video, which was totally my fault, it has run really like a champ. So nothing to report other than this is a fun gun to shoot. It was a good little build to put together. I still continue to love the ultimate adjustable trigger from Lone Wolf Arms. Obviously the factory ported slide is great, especially when you add some extra weight up front with a light. The 507 comp, such a great optic. You can change the reticles like between a bunch of different styles and sizes, and it's got a huge window, so it's really easy to pick up on that dot. Overall, this is a really great combo. I love it. I'll probably do one more video on this just to work out any final kinks, but there's not really any kinks to work out actually, so I guess I'll do one final video just to keep shooting it because it's fun. All right, please drop a comment below. Tell me your thoughts on this setup or anything here. Also, like my channel if you have not, and thumbs up this video if you can. Thanks so much.